ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 93. yesterday as I said, so that Kechit Matam is over, Shikhamanikar Matam is over. Now the regular Grantha is going on. And this 1 number Tippani said, this discussion about the Shanka and Parihara, it is there in the Dvitiya Mithyatva Nirupanam. Now, first let me tell you what is this Dvitiya Mithyatva. In Advaita Siddhi, there are 5 Mithyatva Lakshanas. Because Advaita Siddhi can happen only if there is Dvaita Mithyatva. Dvaita Mithyatva Purvaka Advaita Nishchaya. Unless Dvaita is proved as Mithya, Advaita Nishchaya will not happen. So in the beginning of the text, 5 Advaita Mithya, of beginning of the text Advaita Siddhi, 5 Mithyatva Lakshanas are given. First Lakshana is from Panchapadika. Next 2 Lakshanas are from Vivarana. 4th Lakshana is from Chitsukhi. And 5th Lakshana is from Nyaya Makaranda by Ananda Bodha Bhattacharya. In this way, 5 Lakshanas there. This discussion, second one is the largest. Biggest discussion is in the second one. So that is taken up by other acharyas also. What is that Lakshana? You might want to write down because it is not given. See, unfortunately, the Tippanikar said Dvitiya Mithyatva. But what is that Dvitiya Mithyatva? That he didn't say. Pratipannopadhau त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगित्वम. त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगित्वम. This is the Lakshana. Pratipanna means Jnata. Pratipanna means Jnata. Upadhi means Adhikarana, locus. So Pratipannopadhau means Jnate Adhikarane. When the locus is known, in that known locus, Saptami, Jnate Adhikarane, Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogitvam. That Pratiyogi whose Traikalika Nishedha is done in that Adhikarana. That is called Mithya. That Pratiyogi whose Traikalika Nishedha. Traikalika means in all 3 periods of time it is not. Drishtanta is in Rajju Sarpa. in Rajju, which is the Jnata Adhikarana, when Rajju's idam amsha is known, in that Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogi is what?
Sarpa.
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 Sarpa is Traikalika Nishedasya Pratiyogi. In 3 periods of time, Sarpa is not there in Rajju. Neither it was there, na asit, nasti, na bhavishyati. In this way, in Brahma, Jagat is Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogi. Jagat was never there, Jagat is not there, Jagat will not be there in Brahma. So you should understand from Paramarthik standpoint in this. Okay. Now in that Lakshana, so Jagat Mithyatvam is Siddham. Vyavaharik Prapancha is Mithya. So somebody will ask, what is Mithya? When you say Vyavaharik Prapancho Mithya Drishyatvat, what is Mithya? This is Mithya. What is the Lakshana?
प्रतिपन्नोपादौ त्रैकालिकनिषेध प्रतियोगित्वम्.
Pratipannopadau Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogitvam. This is for Mithyatvam. Okay. Now, before we enter into Tika, one more thing, just understand. When I say Jagat is Mithya, so I have done Nisheda of Jagat. Then the question is that Nishedha means negation. That Nishedha, is it Satya or Mithya? What is the answer?
Mithya.
Vidya.
Nishedha is also Mithya. So if you say, like one person comes and says, Devadatta speaks untruth. So let's say Chaitra. Chaitra comes and says, Devadatta speaks untruth. Then Maitra comes and says, Chaitra speaks untruth. So then what about Devadatta? See, Chaitra says, Devadatta speaks untruth. But Maitra says, Chaitra speaks untruth. Means this Vakya that Chaitra said, Devadatta speaks untruth, is not true. Because he is a liar. So therefore, if you accept Maitra's Vakya, then Devadatta speaks truth or untruth?
Truth.
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 This is how logic works. So Purva Pakshi is saying, if you say, if Shruti says Jagat is Mithya, and now you are saying this Mithyatva is Mithya. If Mithyatva becomes Mithya, then Jagat becomes
Satya.
Satya.
Satya. So this Mithyatva is called Nishedha Vakya. And Jagat is called Nishedhya. Jagat is called Nishedhya. You remember these words because in these sentences, Nishedha, Nishedhya, Nishedha, Nishedhya, these words will keep coming and you should not get confused. Jagat is Nishedhya, means in Darshtanta. And Mithyatva will be Nishedha. Now you see Vedanta Paribhasha. Anu evam tarhi. निषेधस्य बाध्यत्वेन पारमार्थिक सत्व अविरोधित्वात् अर्थान्तरम् इति चेत् निषेधस्य बाध्यत्वेन So nisheda means this jagat is mithya. If that nisheda itself is badhya, this is the argument, right? This is nisheda. This is nishedhya, jagat, nisheda. If nisheda gets negated by another vakya or by understanding, nishedasya badhyatvam. Everybody is understanding or not? Because you have to at least say yes, no, something. Huh?
Yes.
So I understand whether you are getting it. Nishedasya badhyatvena. If nisheda gets negated, nishedasya badhyatvena, paramarthika sattva avirodhitvat. Paramarthika sattva of jagat avirodhi means this jagat will become satyam. Jagat will have paramarthika satyatvam. It is not paramarthika sattva virodhi anymore. It is avirodhi. So you started all your prakriya to prove jagat mithya. Then you don't want anything other than Brahma to be satyam. So you cannot say Brahma is satya and nishedha is also satya. So you have to say nishedha is mithya. If
Mithya.
nishedha is mithya, then jagat will become satya. So this is called arthantaram. Arthantara means you started your pratignya for one sadhya and now you are doing some other sadhya. See second number tippani. Arthantaram. Anyo artha arthantaram. Anabhipreta padartha pratipadanam. You are doing the pratipadanam of that padartha which is anabhipreta, which is not our abhipreta, undesired. घटः सन् इत्यादि प्रत्यक्षम नेह नाना इत्यादि श्रुत्या प्रबाद्य घटादीनां सत्यत्व अभाव रूपम मिथ्यात्वम सिसाधयिषितम. First you said घट is sat. How? Through pratyaksha pramana. Ghato asti, so ghatah san. Then came neha nanasti shruti. Neha nanasti kinchana. So by that shrutya prabadhya, negating it. Ghatadinam satyatva abhava rupam. So first you said ghata is satya. Then you say ghata satyatvasya abhava, which is mithyatvam. Sishadhaishritam. Sishadhaisha.
साधयितुम् इच्छा.
Sadhayitum ichha. Sadh. Sadh. Dhatus are for siddhi. Sadhayitum ichha. Sishadhaisha. Mithyatvam sishadhaishitam. It is done. Nishtha pratyaya at the end. Sachen nishedo api badhyaha. If that nisheda also gets negated, so you have to remember, this is ghata, nishedhya, nisheda, and nisheda also gets negated. Nishedo api badhyaha tarhi na tena ghatadinam paramarthika sattvam badhayitum shakyate. Then ghatadinam paramarthika sattvam badhayitum na shakyate. Means ghatadinam paramarthika sattvam. Then ghata will become real. Why? Because first you said it is not real. Then the other fellow said this fellow is not right, or this fellow said Everything, including this, is also unreal. So पारमार्थिक सत्वं बाधयितुं न शक्यते. तच्च अनभिप्रेतं वेदान्तिनां तव वेदान्तिनः तव इति अर्थान्तरः. This is undesirable for you, you Vedantin, that Ghata becomes Paramarthika Satya. So objection, everybody understood?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes,
Okay.
Swamiji.
Arthantaram iti chet. Up to this is Purvapaksha. Siddhanta said na. स्वाप्नार्थस्य स्वाप्न निषेधेन बाध्येनापि बाध दर्शनात्. So you can do some vyapti in this. This is how in Advaita Siddhi thinking happens. See, what is Purvapakshi trying to prove? Where Nishedha becomes Badhya, then the Nishedhya is Paramarthika Sattva Avirodhi. And therefore, in that Nishedha, Paramarthika Sattva Virodhitvam will not be there anymore. It will be Paramarthika Sattva Avirodhi. Yatra yatra Nishedhasya Badhyatvam. See, this is Nishedha.
Yes,
Yatra
Swamiji.
yatra Nishedhasya Badhyatvam. The Nishedha gets negated. Then tatra tatra Nishedhe Paramarthika Sattva Avirodhitvam. This Nishedha will not remove Paramarthika Satyatva of Nishedhya. This is what Purvapakshi is saying. If Nishedha it gets negated, then Nishedha Vishaya, Nishedhya is not going to be Mithya. It will become Satya. This is according to Purvapaksha. Siddhanti gives Drishtanta now, you see. Swapnarthasya swapna nishedena. In swapna, let us say, simple Drishtanta you can take. In swapna there is Rajju Sarpa. Okay. Then in swapna you got afraid of Rajju Sarpa. You started running. Then somebody said, Nayam Sarpaha, Iyam Rajju. This is not Sarpa, this is Rajju. Then you stopped running. So Sarpa Nisheda happened. See, this is Rajju Sarpa. Nayam Sarpa, Rajjuriyam. So it's Nisheda is done. Okay. Then you wake up from Swapna. So Nishedasya Nisheda happens. Everything is negated. Rajju Sarpa becomes Satya.
No.
No. No.
This is our Drishtanta. Swapnarthasya swapna nishedena badhyena api bada darshana. Swapnarthasya swapne bhavo swapnaha. Swapnarthasya, that which is there in swapna. Swapnarthasya swapna nishedena. Even if you do nisheda of swapna, badhyena api bada darshana. This is Nishedha. You have to remember, this is Nishedha. This is Badhya. Badha, and this is Swapnartha, whatever, Rajju Sarpa. So even if that Nishedha gets negated, Swapnartha will remain Badhita only. It will not become Satya. Now instead of Rajju Sarpa, you take only Gaja. Anything which is not Swapna Pratibhasika. It is Swapna Vyavaharika. It is Vyavaharik in Swapna. Still, that also, when you wake up from Swapna, so Gaja is negated and it never becomes Satya anymore. Just simple. Swapna Gaja or any Swapna Padartha, they never become real. So first example is more satika because that Rajju Sarpa is specific. So this is Siddhanti is one line answer. Now you see further. Nacha nishedhasya badhyatvam पारमार्थिक सत्वा विरोधित्वे तंत्रम किंतु निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वम निषेधस्य बाध्यत्वम पारमार्थिक सत्व अविरोधित्वे न तंत्रम तंत्रम मीन्स व्याप्यम Siddhanti is saying your vyapti was yatra yatra nishedhasya badhyatvam tatra tatra nishedhe paramarthika sattva avirodhitvam or nishedhye paramarthika sattva avirodhitvam. But Siddhanti says that is not true. Yatra yatra nishedhasya न्यून सत्ताकत्वम, right? न्यून सत्ताकत्वम निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वम. So you have to put the anvay this way. Yatra yatra, see there in the line. Nishedhasya is there, you put number 1 above that. Nishedhasya, then nishedhya apekshaya number 2. Nyuna sattakatvam number 3. यत्र यत्र निषेधस्य निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वम तत्र तत्र निषेधस्य पारमार्थिक सत्वा विरोधित्वम तत्र तत्र निषेधस्य और निषेधे पारमार्थिक सत्वा विरोधित्वम सत्वा विरोधित्वम. This is the vyapti. This is what he is saying. Not only nishedasya badhyatvam paramarthika sattva avirodhitve tantram. Tantram means vyapyam. किंतु निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वम पारमार्थिक सत्वा विरोधित्वे तंत्र. Means this should be the vyapya, not nishedha should not be vyapya. Nishedhasya nishedhya apekshaya nyuna sattakatvam is vyapya and vyapaka is paramarthika sattva virodhitva. Now what does that mean? He has explained in the Tika. See further. So that Swapna Drashtanta actually will work here. he explains it further. Yatra hi nishedhasya nishedhe प्रतियोगी सत्वम आयाति. Sorry, तत्र ही निषेधस्य निषेधे प्रतियोगी सत्वम आयाति. यत्र निषेधस्य निषेध बुद्ध्या प्रतियोगी सत्वम व्यवस्थाप्यते. निषेध मात्रम तु निषिध्यते. हाँ, प्रकृते, ओके, वन मोर. प्रकृते च तुल्यता तुल्य सत्ता, स इज मिसिंग. प्रकृते च तुल्य सत्ताकत्वाद विरोधित्वम अविरुद्धम. In the our current context, they have tulya sattakatvat avirodhitvam, tulya sattakatvat virodhitvam aviruddham. Means virodhitvam is not there. Tulya satta between what and what? Nishedha and nishedhya. Between nishedha and nishedhya, if it is samana satta, then virodhitvam aviruddham. Means avirodhitvam. Virodhitvam aviruddham means avirodhitvam. For example, what is he saying? Jagat is Vyavaharika Satya. Correct? And Nehananasti Kinchana is also Vyavaharika. So they have Tulya Satta. Tulya Satta Katvat Virodhitvam Aviruddham. Now he gives example. But the example they have given is slightly different. See, तत्र ही निषेधस्य निषेधे प्रतियोगी सत्वम आयाति. यत्र निषेधस्य निषेध बुद्ध्या प्रतियोगी सत्वम व्यवस्थाप्यते. निषेध मात्रम तु निषिध्यते. This is the Vakya we'll understand. First you understand the Drishtanta. Yatha rajate nedam rajatam iti pratiti anantaram. Let us say there is rajata, actual rajata, and you get the pratiti nedam rajatam. It is not rajata. Iti pratiti anantaram, then you get this other understanding. What is this? Idam na arajatam. Actually what it is? Rajata, let us say. First your thought is nedam rajatam. This is not rajatam. It is rajatam. First thought is nedam rajatam, right? Then next thought comes and says nedam rajatam iti na arajatam. This is not arajatam. Means this is rajatam.
Rajatam.
This much is clear. So rajata is there. First you thought nedam rajatam. Then second fellow comes and says na nedam rajatam. Iti na arajatam iti jnanena rajatam vyavasthapyate. So now what is your understanding? This is rajata. And only nisheda is being negated. Nisheda matram tu nishidhyate, not rajata. Nisheda is negated, but rajata is vyavasthapyate. Means Pratyogi Siddhi is done in this kind of thing. That is what now you see the Vakya, Purva Vakya. Tatra hi nishedhasya nishedhe Pratyogi Sattvam ayati. There only where nishedha getting negated will make Pratyogi Sattva. Where nishedhasya nishedha buddhya Pratyogi Sattvam vyavasthapyate. Nishedha, when it gets negated, then Pratyogi is Satyam, that is being established. Then what is being done? Nishedha matram tu nishidhyate. Only the nishedha, the negation is negated. And the Pratyogi Satyatvam is established.
Swamiji, here na nishidhyate is there.
There are two pathantaras there. If you say Pratyogi Sattvam vyavasthapyate, Nishedha matram na tu nishidhyate. That is the part.
Nishedha matram tu na nishidhyate.
Nishedha matram tu na nishidhyate. So you should understand Nishedha matram tu na nishidhyate. Nishedha api nishidhyate, Pratyogi api nishidhyate. See here what is given, Pratyogi Sattvam vyavasthapyate. Nishedha matram nishidhyate. There the other reading, so that nakara you put in bracket. If you have nakara, both are interpreted differently. So first you understand this way, without nakara. Yatra nishedasya nishedha buddhya pratyogi sattvam vyavasthapyate and nishedha matram tu nishidhyate. So that is this example, yatha rajate nedam rajatam iti pratiti anantaram idam na rajatam. This is not arajatam iti jnanena rajatam vyavasthapyate. Nishedha matram tu nishidhyate. So if you see the drishtanta part, in the drishtanta what they have given, nishedha matram tu na nishidhyate or nishedha matram tu nishidhyate?
Vyavasthapyate na tan nishedha matram nishidhyate.
So they have given na in both, in drishtanta and in the lakshana, in the vyakhya, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
And here in this reading, they have not given na in both. So it is okay. Na nishedha matram tu nishidhyate. So nishedha matram, that is Kailash Ashram reading.
Yes, Swamiji.
So Rajata Abhava. Rajata is a nishedhya in the drishtanta. Now you keep in bracket for both. First you understand without na. Rajata is nishedhya and nishedha is rajata abhava. Nishedhya rajata is nyuna sattaka compared to rajata abhava. So then when you do rajata abhava, rajatasya tattvik sattva virodha is not there. Rajata abhava and then tasya abhava, tasya badha. So then rajata will become sat. So in this what has happened, rajata is actually there or not?
There.
Rajata is there. Rajata abhava is there or not?
No.
Is not there.
Not there.
So rajata abhava is pratibhasika or rajata negation is pratibhasika and rajata is vyavaharika. So therefore Rajata Satta is higher, Rajata Nisheda Satta is lower. Therefore Rajata Nisheda is Nyuna Sattaka. Nyuna means less. Nyuna Sattaka compared to Rajata. Rajata, which is Nishedhya. Rajata has greater Satta than Rajata Nishedha, which says Rajata Abhava. So Rajata Abhava is Nyuna Sattaka. And the Vakya is तत्र ही निषेधस्य निषेधे प्रतियोगी सत्वम आयाति. और that previous sentence. किंतु निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वम. निषेधस्य निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वम. I gave you 1, 2, 3. What is the Vakya? What is one number?
निषेधस्य
निषेधस्य
Second number?
निषेधापेक्षया
निषेध्य अपेक्षया. निषेध्य अपेक्षया. निषेध्य is Rajata, Vyavaharika. Nisheda is Pratibhasika, Nedam Rajatam. So compared to Vyavaharik Rajat, Nedam Rajatam Nisheda is Nyuna Sattaka. And therefore, in that case, Paramarthika Sattva Avirodhitvam of that Rajat. So Rajat will become Satyam.
Swamiji, in this Vakya, that Badhyatvam Shabda, where to be put it, Swamiji? Nature,
In both.
both.
Nishedasya, so you have to read actually.
Also, Na is there. So,
Where is Na?
nature.
Na will go with the first before comma. न च निषेधस्य बाध्यत्वं पारमार्थिक सत्व अविरोधित्वे तंत्रम्. किंतु निषेधस्य निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वं पारमार्थिक सत्व अविरोधित्वे तंत्रम्. In this way. Not that निषेधस्य बाध्यत्वं is पारमार्थिक सत्व विरोधित्वे तंत्र. निषेध बाध by itself will not become the pratyogi satya, but निषेधस्य निषेध्य अपेक्षया न्यून सत्ताकत्वम will make it satya, because in swapna it is samana sattaka. Because it is samana sattaka, nishedha and nishedhya both are mithya, both are pratibhasika. Therefore, it doesn't become satyam. Pratyogi doesn't become satya. So, Jagat and Jagat Abhava. Jagat is Nishedhya, Jagat Abhava is Nishedha by saying Nehana Nasti Kinchana, etc. Then when you come and say this Nishedha is also Mithya, Purvapakshi was saying if you make Nishedha Mithya, Nishedhya should become
सत्यम.
Satya.
but it is not happening. Why? Because these two are Jagat and its Nishedha. They are Samana Sattaka. Jagat is also Vyavaharika, Nehana Nasti Kinchana is also Vyavaharika. Therefore, by that, Jagat will not become Paramarthika Satya. And therefore, स्व अन्यून सत्ता का स्व समानाधिकरण अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्वम is मिथ्यात्व. You don't need to know this, but this is there. Swa anyuna satta, because only if it is nyuna satta, it will become satyam. It has to be anyuna satta. And then swa samanadhikarana atyanta bhava means there. Okay, see this drishtanta again. Only few minutes I'll take, and then you all are free. Where is pata in my hand? Where is pata?
Haste.
Haste.
Yeah, what haste? In tantu. Where is pata then haste? What, are you studying? Kavya or what? Where is pata?
Tantu.
Tantu. Pata is in tantu. I forgot what was my train of thought also. Haste. If I say haste, then you say haste. What did I want to communicate?
Drishtanta, you wanted to give us the Drishtanta.
Mityatva Lakshana.
Okay. So, pata is mithya in tantu. Okay. Pata is mithya in tantu. And if my first question was, where is pata? Pata is in tantu. So pata is in tantu and pata is also mithya in there. In other words, there where pata is, there itself is atyanta bhava is also there. Right? So swa samana adhikarana atyanta bhava pratiyogitva. There where pata is existing, seemingly, in tantu, there itself is atyanta bhava, if you can see, that is called mithyatva. If ghata is there in kapala or in mrittika, there itself is atyanta bhava. If you see, that is mithya. In this way we should understand. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.